Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Wow. That feels so much better. That is so cool. Okay, my name is Carissa. I am originally from San Diego, California. I moved to Las Vegas 19 years ago. I love Vegas. I'm 42 years old. I have a 12-year-old autistic son. When I was 28 years old, unfortunately, I had a condition that caused cancer and I had to have a hysterectomy. Therefore, it caused, thinning in my hair. And I currently own an eBay business. I work from home, and I love Disney, and I sing, and pretty much that's me.
You'll be able to sing for us later, okay? So now the second question I have is like, from your understanding, what is scalp micropigmentation? From your understanding.
From what information that I've gathered from the internet and videos is that scalp micropigmentation is where they tattoo your scalp in a way that looks more natural, and it kind of fills in some of the spaces where you might be thinning or balding.
Okay, very good. Like, what is expectation? Like, what kind of style? Like, maybe you talk about what kind of style you want. Like, you want to be just feeling what expectation?
So my expectation is to gain confidence from having my hairline balding. Thinning, I try to cover it up, and sometimes it's frustrating because I can't wear my hair down. So what I would prefer, what I'm hoping, is that I'm able to gain a little bit of confidence because of my hairline, and just feel better about myself.
Very good. So you're willing to look better, improving yourself?
Yes.
Hopefully I can help today. All right.
I hope too.
Thank you so much. Okay, session 1 is done. Okay, I want you to stand up. I want you to stand up and take a look at the mirror.
Okay.
Alright. So ready?
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Wow. That feels so much better. That is so cool. Oh wow.
You want to cry, you can cry.
Wow.
Well, don't touch, okay?
I know.
Just
it's
a soft touch.
exciting.
Very soft, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, after session 1, what do you feel, Carissa?
I feel excited. Like, I can already see that it's like blending in, and once I dye my hair, like after everything heals, and I feel like it's gonna give me so much more confidence.
Yeah, so much confidence is the main key, okay? You happy?
Right. Yes.
Certified?
Yes. Yes,
absolutely. New life. Okay, just
Yeah.
session 1. Session 2, I expect we'll see after healing, we'll see what's going on, and then put more density.
Okay.
See what part I'm missing. Pretty much you just need 2 sessions. The second session will be good.
Okay.
Okay,
Perfect.
thank you.
Thank you.